The year was 2021. Without a flashy event, without a tearful goodbye, Apple quietly pulled the plug on the most powerful all-in-one computer ever made. The space gray iMac Pro was dead. Since then, the professional world has been left with a choice: a colorful 24-inch consumer machine that looks like a toy, or a messy desk filled with a Mac Studio, cables, and expensive external monitors. But as we sit here in 2026, the silence is about to be broken. The whispers from the supply chain aren't just rumors anymore. They are a warning. Apple is about to drop a machine so powerful, so visually stunning, and so expensive that it will redefine what a pro workstation actually is. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've been waiting to upgrade your desk setup, stop. Because the iMac Pro isn't just coming back, it's coming to take its throne. Why now? Why did Apple wait 5 years to bring back the Pro badge to the iMac? To understand that, you have to understand the failure of the original. The Intel-based iMac Pro was a thermal nightmare. It was a jet engine on your desk that throttled its performance the second you actually tried to do professional work. But today, the game has changed. Apple Silicon has removed the thermal ceiling. We are now entering the era of the M5 Max, a chip so efficient and so fast that it makes the old Xeon processors look like calculators. But the chip is only 10% of the story. The real reason you will be unable to look away from this video, and this computer, is the ultra-reality display that Apple has been hiding in its labs for half a decade. Let's talk about that screen, because it is the single most controversial part of this leak. For years, the 27-inch 5K display was the gold standard. But in 2026, 27 inches is considered entry-level. The new iMac Pro is reportedly jumping to a massive 32-inch chassis. But this isn't just a bigger screen. It's a mini LED masterpiece with over 2,000 local dimming zones. We're talking about 1,600 nits of peak brightness. This is essentially a Pro Display XDR, a $5,000 monitor, built directly into the computer. Imagine editing an 8K HDR video where the blacks are truly black, and the highlights are so bright they actually make you squint. This is the visual experience professionals have been begging for, and according to internal code leaks under the identifier H17C, it's finally happening. But here is where it gets interesting. Apple knows that if they just put a big screen on an iMac, people will just buy a Mac Studio and a third-party monitor. They had to create a hook. That hook is the integrated cooling architecture. Because the iMac Pro is an all-in-one, it doesn't have the space constraints of a laptop. This allows Apple to push the M5 Max chip to clock speeds we've never seen. Leaked benchmarks suggest a multi-core score of over 31,000. To put that in perspective, this all-in-one will be faster than a fully spec'd Mac Pro from just 2 years ago. It's a desktop that doesn't just do the work, it annihilates it. Now, I want you to visualize the design. Forget the chin. Forget the white bezels of the M4 iMac. The 2026 iMac Pro is rumored to adopt the titanium aesthetic. A dark, brushed metal finish with bezels so thin they almost disappear. It's industrial, it's moody, and it's designed to disappear into a high-end studio. But there's a secret hidden in that design.